Hey there. So here's your plank roll. You want to come into a standard plank, keeping your palms underneath your shoulders, feet about hip width apart. And you're lifting the hips up and returning back to plank. Just an opposite view. Modified here, you come down to forearms underneath shoulders. And again, it's a lift. Always returning back to a plank in the center. So the alligator plank walk, you get that from holding a standard plank and taking your tippy toes forward, engaging the calves, and sending your chest forward as if you're going to tip over. So forward, tight tummy, walk. And notice my hips are not changing. They're not going up or down. It's always straight forward. Hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.